This video is going to be about how to make money from YouTube for beginners in 2019. Now, before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification because I don't want you to miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. So, I started my YouTube channel and I wanted to build up an audience before I went with other things to promote through my YouTube channel. So the first way that you can make money on YouTube is through Google AdSense. Now, there is criteria that YouTube has now. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order for your channel to be monetized with ads. Once you hit that, you're going to start getting paid with ads that YouTube chooses to put on your channel. The only thing is if you look right here, this is just a tiny amount. And as a matter of fact, that's not what you even get. Now, I did do some research because I seem to be getting a high CPM rate, which is, everybody thinks it stands for clicks per minute, but it actually stands for cost per mil. So I found out that educational channels tend to get a higher CPM rate, and I'm not sure exactly why. This has remained around $16 the entire time. So this is actually not what I get. So when I click here on revenue, I get about 45% of this ad revenue. So right now, and this is about 2 days behind, by the way. Right now, I am at $233.54. Okay, so that's not a lot, but thank you, YouTube, for paying my electric bill and my water bill. But this amount is going to increase as my channel grows. So you do have to keep that in mind as well. Also, a misconception that a lot of people have is that you have to have a lot of subscribers in order to get a lot of revenue, and that is not always the case. You might have a channel that has 15,000 subscribers. My channel has 2,600 subscribers currently as of today, and we may be making the same amount in ad revenue. It all has to do with this CPM rate right here. Okay, so I am getting a really good CPM rate on that. So Google AdSense, I highly recommend. It is money, that passive income that you can make in your sleep. And once again, this amount will increase as my channel grows. So I'm pretty happy with this, but you cannot rely on Google AdSense alone for your YouTube channel. So some other things that I wanted to mention here is that the second way that you can make money off of YouTube is by selling your own products. You know, it doesn't matter if you have, the best-selling strawberry jam in your county or whatever it is. You become a master of that, and you promote that product, and you keep promoting and promoting, and you promote your own products, and you get sales off of that. You may have a website, that has a link to your products on it, and because you have already developed an audience, then you are likely to get more sales out of that. So it doesn't matter what kind of product you have, whether it be a physical product or a digital product, that is another way. And you can do this without even being monetized through Google AdSense. So I call it monetizing your channel without having your channel actually monetized through the YouTube partnership. Okay, another way that you can do this is through affiliate programs and promoting other people's products. So I will tell you this, if you just get online and search for affiliate programs, just about everybody has some sort of an affiliate program. And one of the first things I think people like to do is they'll jump on Amazon affiliate program, they'll sign up for the program, and yes, you do get money off of selling products. So if you're mentioning a certain camera that you're using in your videos or something like that, then you can put that camera in your description and the description of your video, and if anybody clicks on that, not only if they purchase the camera, but anything else they purchase through your link, you're going to get a commission off of that. Now, there are several other affiliate programs out there. You just have to do your research. I mean, I think even Target has an affiliate program. You name it. If you search for somebody, they most likely have some sort of affiliate program. Okay, the fourth way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Now, when you are newly monetized and you're a small channel like myself, you cannot really go and sign up through certain links that YouTube offers. If I go up here, okay, it tells me that my channel is monetized. However, some of the links I am not eligible for, and I guess because I have been monetized for over a month now, it disappeared. It used to show up here, you know, congratulations, your channel is monetized. So I was trying to find that link up here that shows you all of the things that you can be eligible for. So you have to have about 10,000 subscribers to qualify to participate in some of those sponsorships. However, that does not stop you from going out and finding your own sponsorships. So you can work with people on your own as you are getting started, and you can try to work out some sort of a sponsorship deal to where if you mention their product in your video, you will get some sort of commission off of every sale. You can even start locally. I mean, find people that are local, you know, in your area and try to find some sort of sponsorship. Once your channel starts to grow, they will contact you. And excuse my voice, guys. It's just that time of year. So once your channel starts to grow, people are going to contact you. So you want to make sure that you do have your contact information, you know, in your About Me section, and you probably want to put it in your descriptions. Now, I have not done that yet just because I know that my channel is not quite big enough that sponsorships are going to contact me. I will start doing that here soon once my channel grows just a little bit more. I think it will not take me but another maybe 2 or 3 weeks and I'll hit 3,000 subscribers, hopefully. So you can actually negotiate your own sponsorship deals. Okay, the other way, and let's see how this is number 6, I believe, is number 5, online courses. Now, I wanted to show you, now my favorite is Teachable, okay? Teachable is an awesome site and it's very user-friendly to use for your online courses. And that's my preferred method of making online courses, which I have not completed yet. I'm still working on those. I was trying to build up enough of an audience. Also, Thinkific. Thinkific is also an excellent platform. The thing about these two that I just mentioned is that you're going to get to keep all of you're going to get to keep most of your income depending upon the plans that you choose on Teachable or Thinkific. Okay, But the downside to this is that you have to market these yourself. And that is something all on its own, which is why you want to build up your audience on YouTube, and you want to, have an audience to market that to. So these two platforms, Teachable and also Thinkific, I can't say enough about these programs. I've done a lot of research on both of them. I think they both have amazing qualities. Now, if you want to go a different route where they market your course for you, you can try Udemy. However, some people pronounce this Udemy, some people I pronounce it Udemy. Now, Udemy will actually market your course for you. To me, this reminds me of something like eBay or, some sort of site like that where your product is going to be there. You already have an audience. The downside to Udemy is that you don't really make a whole lot because Udemy takes a huge cut of your profit. So everybody is an expert at something. And I'm not sure how I feel about taking my knowledge that I have spent years researching and giving all that to Udemy. However, a few courses are worth putting on Udemy if you just have like a small course and you want to make some extra money. It's worth checking into. Okay, so I'm not down in Udemy. Okay, there are people who make a lot of money on Udemy. But with Udemy, you have to have several courses in order to really start making some income, which is why I say I think you should really go with Thinkific or you should go with Teachable. Now, there are several ways to make money on YouTube, but the last one I want to mention is by having a membership site. And I think a good site to use for that is Teachery. This is also a place where you can build online courses, but I think that their prices are reasonable and you can start a membership site. So if you want to have a membership site and you want to put things in there, bi-weekly or monthly or whatever it is, Teachery is an awesome site to go with for your membership site. So for example, if you've been watching my past videos, I do a lot of videos on Etsy, and a lot of people think that my channel is about Etsy, and it's not. It's actually about making money online. So for example, if I wanted to take some of the designs I made and planners and things like that I had made on Etsy and throw them all into a membership site, Teachery is a great place to put those items. I believe you can do the same thing in Teachable and also in Thinkific because you can put all document forms. You can even use Dropbox links. So anything you have, you can do that and you can put those in there. But Teachery, I think their pricing is pretty good. So you can start with affordable plans with no fees, and you get a 2-week free trial. So you get the monthly plan is $49. Now on Teachable, the best thing about Teachable is that you can actually stay on the free plan and you can sell your online courses. The only thing is it's going to have Teachable, behind it. But really, honestly, does that matter? Really matter? Also, with the paid version of Teachable, it unlocks a lot more features that you don't actually get on, with the free version. So that's just something to think about, and I highly recommend that you get on there. So if I click here on pricing, Teachable has, the basic is $29 and it's billed annually, okay? Their professional plan is $79. That's also billed annually. And then if you really start selling a lot of courses, it would probably be worth the $399 a month. It seems like a lot of people I have researched that actually use this platform they either stick with the basic or the professional. So with the basic plan, they take out 5% transaction fees, but you still get your instant payouts. On the business plan, you get no transaction fees at all. And the same with the professional plan. So I would highly recommend that you get on Teachable and check those courses out. So I'm also signed up for an affiliate for Teachable, but I have to actually launch my course first before I give an affiliate link to that. So I am still working on all that. So back to YouTube. YouTube is an excellent source. So, you know, going back to Etsy, and all my videos are a lot about Etsy, you can market your Etsy shop if you have a YouTube channel. You know, you just have to know how to really go about doing that. You can do a lot of things, you know, do videos on your certain products, and basically do a review on your own products. So that's how you can do that. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If anybody has any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, I have 2 Facebook groups that you can join, and they're all about making money online. The first one I came up with back in October was Etsy Passive Income. It's a very active group of people about selling instant downloads on Etsy and how you can make a passive income doing that. The other group that I have, I just opened that less than a week ago or a week and a half ago, and it's called the Boss Up Society, and I will leave a link to both of those down in the description below. Actually, not a link, because I tried to do that several times, and with those, it just takes you to the main Facebook login page, and you have to log in. So you can either search for Boss Up Society and make sure you're searching under groups, and Etsy Passive Income. I would love to have you in both of my groups or one of them. So if you're not interested in Etsy, but yet you're interested in other ways to make money online, then the Boss Up Society is definitely for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to my channel for future videos. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.